welcome to my channel. In this video, let's see how to program ATTiny using Arduino UNO. Step 1 is turning your Arduino UNO into ISP. In the Arduino IDE, go to Tools and select your board, port and programmer. Then go to File, click on Example and select Arduino ISP. Now click on Verify, which is the tick mark. Once the sketch is compiled, click the right arrow which says Upload. Once the uploading is done, your Arduino UNO should be ready as ISP. To verify if everything is working fine, connect a LED with the resistor to the pin number 9 on the Arduino UNO. Connect the anode to the pin 9 and the other end to the ground on the Arduino board. After connecting the LED, you should be able to see LED blinking slowly like heartbeat. Second step is adding ATTiny core. If you go to the board under the tools, you can see there is no ATTiny board available. So let's add this. To add the ATTiny core, first you need to download the files from GitHub. A link to the page is in the description. After downloading, extract the files from the zip folder and rename the folder to ATTiny core. Next, copy the entire folder. Next, open your Arduino IDE and go to File and go to the option Preference. Next, go to the highlighted location. This could be different for you. Now in the location, create a folder called Hardware and paste the ATTiny core folder. Now close and reopen your Arduino IDE to see the updated boards. Next step is circuit assembly. On a breadboard, mount the ATTiny 85 chip. Using a jumper wire, connect pin 1 of ATTiny 85 to the pin 10 of Arduino UNO. Next, connect pin 4 of ATTiny 85 to the ground on the Arduino UNO. Now connect the capacitor. The negative terminal should go to the pin 4 of the ATTiny 85 and positive terminal of the capacitor goes to the reset pin of the Arduino UNO. Next, connect the pin 5 of the ATTiny 85 to the pin 11 of Arduino UNO. Connect the pin 6 of ATTiny 85 to the pin 12 of Arduino UNO. Connect the pin 7 of ATTiny 85 to the pin number 13 on the Arduino UNO. Now connect pin number 8 of ATTiny 85 to the 5 volt pin on the Arduino UNO. Next step is uploading the sketch to your ATTiny 85. Go to examples under file and then select any basic program like blink. First let's change the LED built-in to custom pin number. Since LED built-in is for pin number 13, so we don't have pin number 13, so let's change it to pin number 3. And change the delay to 500. After making changes, click on tick mark to compile your sketch. Once you have compiled your sketch successfully, enable the following settings under the tools. To upload your sketch, press and hold the shift key and press the right arrow which says upload to upload your sketch. To test the circuit or the sketch, connect a LED to the pin 2 of the ATTiny 85. The anode of the LED goes to the pin 2 of the ATTiny 85 and ground goes to the pin 4 of the ATTiny 85. Now let's change the delay to 100. Thanks everyone for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel and also enable the notification to get the updates. And don't forget to like, share and comment. Thank you guys.